Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cooking Horizon by Tess. Today I'm going to share the turkey gravy recipe. Although there are many ways of making the gravy, the main elements of the gravy is derived from its roast turkey. So for the base ingredients, please check the description box below for my roast turkey recipe link. But before we get to the recipe, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video, like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you. First of all, once the turkey is out of the oven, transfer the turkey to a separate dish to allow it to rest for 2 to 3 hours for it to absorb its juices before carving. We'll use this goodness in the pan along with a few other ingredients to make the gravy. But before that, remove the excess fat. Since fat settles on top and doesn't mix in with the juice, it's easy to remove with a spoon. This flavorful fat is actually a blessing in disguise. After collection, once it has cooled down, you could preserve them in an airtight container and use them towards other meat dishes afterwards. Now moving on to the next step, cut the excess meat on the back of the turkey and set it aside. This will be used in the gravy preparation. Now empty the turkey cavity entirely. We'll also use all the contents of the turkey cavity towards the gravy preparation. These herbs and veggies would add more flavor to the gravy. If you watch the roast turkey recipe video, you'll see that we had stuffed the turkey cavity with onions, green peppers, garlic cloves, rosemary, thyme, and lemon. However, once the cavity has been emptied, retrieve the remainder of the juices, which we are going to add to the gravy later on. Now transfer the contents from inside the cavity and the roasting pan into a saucepan. Both the solids and the liquids should go in. Now cook the contents of the saucepan on high flame. Let it boil. Stir occasionally as needed. Reduce about 1/3 of the liquid. Now using a potato masher, mash the veggies in the pan. Careful if you're using a non-stick pan. The lemon that we took out from inside the cavity, we'll cut it and squeeze in more than half of its juice. Add the amount of lemon juice that you prefer. I prefer it to be moderately tangy, not too tangy. Stir the mix and cook further. Keep the flame between medium-high and high as you prefer. Now make a solution using 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1 cup of chicken stock and add it to the pan. If you don't have chicken stock, you could also use water instead. Stir and bring it to boil. Cornstarch helps thicken the gravy. A few minutes later, add 1 cup of chicken stock by itself. Stir, boil, and cook until the thickness of the gravy has reached your desired consistency. Taste to check if the amount of seasoning in the gravy seems correct. If necessary, you could add more seasoning at this point. Once done, turn the stove off and strain to separate the liquid from the solids. Using a steel spoon, squeeze out more gravy from inside the solids. Squeeze every last drop out. Instead of discarding the turkey neck along with the veggies, treat yourself with the meat on the neck. Well, these are your chef treats. Looks like my hubby is also interested in my treat. Now serve your gravy alongside the turkey. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon for instant notifications, like, share, and comment on my videos. Take care.